Let's dive right in. We're taking a look at AI agents today,
Uh-huh.
and we've got some excerpts here to kind of guide us.
Sounds good.
So we're going to figure out what are they, what makes them different, and I think most importantly,
Yeah.
why are people making such a big deal about them? And one of the things that I find fascinating about AI agents
Mm-hmm.
is they're not just about, like, automating boring tasks.
Right.
It's more like having almost like a partner
Yeah, that's a good way to put
who
it.
can learn and adapt to the way that you work.
Exactly. And that's actually a really important distinction to make
Yeah,
because it's a major shift from just using tools to actually having a system
right.
that can kind of anticipate your needs and help you achieve your goals.
Okay, so let's get right to it. This document defines AI agents as autonomous systems built to handle complex tasks based on the input they receive
Yeah.
and what they learn along the way.
It sounds pretty impressive.
It does sound impressive,
Yeah.
but I'm like,
You know, when I first read that, I was thinking, okay, but what does that actually look like in practice?
I was thinking the same thing. What does that actually mean?
So basically, these AI agents, they're not just your run-of-the-mill software.
Right.
They can make decisions on their own. They adjust to new information, learn from their experiences. It's like, imagine, instead of just following a recipe step by step,
Okay.
an AI agent could learn your preferences, right? Adjust the ingredients based on what you have on hand. Maybe even suggest creative twists to the dish you're making. It's that kind of next-level thinking.
See, now you're speaking my language. So this document highlights some things that I found really fascinating that these agents can do.
Yeah.
We're talking drafting code, designing things, analyzing data.
Yeah.
These are not simple things.
No, not at all. And that's where these large language models,
LLMs.
or LLMs, exactly, come into play.
Sure.
They've been trained on just mountains and mountains of data, which allows them to understand and generate human-like text so they can answer complex questions. Oh, wow.
And even tackle tasks that require reasoning and
Yeah.
creativity, which is pretty amazing when you think about it.
So we've got these LLMs powering the AI agents.
Right.
But how does this differ from just using basic software?
Well, think of it this way. Let's say you're planning a business trip.
Okay.
A basic software might just book flights and hotels for you.
Makes sense.
An AI agent could take care of everything.
What do you mean everything?
It could research destinations based on your preferences, consider your schedule and your budget when suggesting the best travel dates,
Wow.
and even draft an itinerary with flexibility built in, for those unexpected delays that always seem to pop up. And the coolest part, it learns from your past trips to get even better for next time.
I mean, that sounds like a dream come true.
Yeah.
All right, the document specifically mentioned a couple,
Yeah.
Claude by Anthropic and then Microsoft's Copilot. What makes these stand out?
Well, Claude is particularly interesting. It was designed with safety and ethical behavior in mind.
Which makes it ideal for customer service or handling sensitive data. Anything where trust is paramount. So if Claude's helping you analyze data, you know it's being used responsibly and your data is safe.
That makes a lot of sense. What about Copilot?
Copilot is all about integrating seamlessly with the tools we use every day. Imagine Copilot helping you code in Visual Studio.
Oh, okay.
Or maybe analyzing data in Excel, or even just brainstorming ideas in PowerPoint.
So it's like having a little expert right there.
Right there in your software.
Inside the program.
Yeah.
Now, when people hear about these agents, I think one of the first things they think about is, how is this going to change things for businesses?
I mean, that's the big question, right? And the information we have here suggests it's going to be pretty significant.
Yeah.
Think about it. AI agents could help us strategize better.
Okay.
We could find hidden patterns in data that we would never see on our own and come up with solutions we may not have even thought of. It's not just about efficiency anymore. It's about unlocking a whole new level of creativity and productivity.
So to kind of wrap things up here, it's clear that AI agents are not just a passing fad.
Definitely not.
These are, they're kind of bringing in a new era of assistance.
Yeah.
But here's a thought.
Okay.
What if AI could not only automate tasks, but actually help us become more creative,
Interesting.
more strategic thinkers? How would that change your life and your work?
That's a great question to consider. As these agents continue to evolve, I think their impact is going to be felt far beyond just the world of technology. It's going to influence how we solve problems,
Yeah.
how we express our creativity.
Fascinating.
It's a really exciting time.
Well, that's all the time we have for today.
Already.
Keep those questions coming and stay curious about this amazing world of AI. We'll see you next time.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.